The moment you hear the name, you know something big is coming. This is not just another Lamborghini, and it's not just a replacement for anything that came before. The 2026 Lamborghini Temerario represents a turning point for the brand, a supercar born in the era of electrification, yet engineered to keep raw emotion, speed, and drama alive. This is Lamborghini proving that the future can still be loud, fast, and unforgettable. For decades, Lamborghini's mid-engine V10 defined what a supercar should feel like. With the Temerario, Lamborghini steps into a new chapter, blending cutting-edge hybrid technology with unmistakable Italian aggression. Designed for both UK and USA roads, this car is built to dominate racetracks, motorways, and city streets with equal confidence. Under the rear deck sits an all-new powertrain. The 2026 Lamborghini Temerario is powered by a twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with electric motors, forming a high-performance hybrid system. Combined output is expected to exceed 900 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful road-going Lamborghinis ever produced. The electric motors fill torque gaps instantly, while the V8 delivers explosive acceleration and a thrilling top-end rush. Power is sent through an advanced dual-clutch transmission and an intelligent all-wheel drive system. This setup allows the Temerario to launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, while maintaining brutal traction and stability. Top speed is expected to exceed 210 miles per hour, placing it firmly in hypercar territory while remaining usable on public roads in both the UK and the US. Despite its extreme performance, the Temerario is engineered for balance. A lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber chassis keeps weight under control, while active aerodynamics adapt in real time to driving conditions. At lower speeds, the car prioritizes efficiency and stability. At higher speeds, aggressive aero elements generate serious downforce, keeping the Temerario glued to the road through fast corners. Visually, the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario looks every bit like a Lamborghini, yet unmistakably modern. Sharp edges, angular surfaces, and dramatic air intakes define the exterior. The front end features slim LED headlights with a futuristic light signature, while the rear showcases an aggressive diffuser and centrally mounted exhausts that emphasize performance intent. Large alloy wheels, likely ranging from 20 to 21 inches, fill the arches, while carbon ceramic brakes sit behind them to provide immense stopping power. Every design element serves a purpose, blending beauty with function in true Lamborghini fashion. Step inside, and the Temerario delivers a cockpit that feels like a fighter jet built for the road. The cabin is fully driver-focused, with a digital instrument cluster, a high-resolution central touchscreen, and an additional passenger display. These screens provide real-time performance data, navigation, media, and vehicle settings, all wrapped in Lamborghini's signature visual style. Materials inside are nothing short of exceptional. Alcantara, carbon fiber, premium leather, and aluminium dominate the interior, creating a perfect balance between luxury and motorsport inspiration. The seating position is low and aggressive, giving the driver an intimate connection with the car. Despite its performance focus, the Temerario still offers everyday usability, with climate control, smartphone connectivity, and advanced infotainment features included as standard. Technology plays a key role in the Temerario's appeal. Advanced driver assistance systems are expected to include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, and automated emergency braking. These features are designed to enhance safety during daily driving without interfering when the car is pushed hard. Now let's talk numbers that matter. The 2026 Lamborghini Temerario is expected to start at approximately $320,000 in the United States and around £275,000 in the United Kingdom. Optional performance packages, bespoke interior trims, and Lamborghini's ad personam customization program can push the price significantly higher, allowing owners to create a truly unique supercar.as for the release date. Lamborghini is expected to officially unveil the Temerario in late 2025, with customer deliveries beginning in early to mid-2026. Demand is expected to be extremely high, especially as this model represents a new era for Lamborghini's mid-engine lineup. What makes the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario truly special is not just its power or price, but what it represents. This is Lamborghini refusing to let electrification dilute emotion. Instead, they've used hybrid technology to amplify performance, sharpen response, and elevate the driving experience. The Temerario proves that the soul of a supercar doesn't disappear with change, it evolves. It remains loud in spirit, aggressive in design, and uncompromising in performance. If you're passionate about supercars, future performance machines, and the evolution of iconic automotive brands, this is a car you need to follow closely. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming deep dives into the world's most extreme cars. The future of performance is here, and it wears a raging bull.